In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fantasy portrait in Luminar 4. We'll turn a regular portrait into something magical by building a clean base, layering soft glow, shaping color, and finishing with subtle, cinematic polish. Start by opening your portrait in Luminar 4 and heading to the Essentials panel, then Light. Nudge exposure so the subject feels correctly lit, and balance. Highlights and shadows to recover detail without flattening contrast. A good trick is to watch the skin tones in the eyes. If they hold detail, you're on the right track. Now apply AI Enhance, specifically Accent AI, for a quick boost in tone and color. Keep it moderate. This is just the foundation before the creative work. Next, let's shape that dreamy atmosphere with the mystical effect in the creative panel. Gradually raise the amount until the scene softens and feels ethereal, not hazy. Use smoothness to control how broad the glow spreads, and fine-tune saturation and warmth to taste. If you lower the shadows a touch, you'll deepen separation between your subject and the background while keeping a gentle halo in the highlights. To push the fairy tale vibe, try Image Radiance for an overall soft glow that flatters skin and light. Soft glow can emphasize bright areas and smooth transitions. Use both sparingly. The goal is luminous, not plastic. With mood set, enhance color using HSL. Boost oranges and pinks slightly for a warm, enchanted light, then nudge blues and purples for mythic cool notes. Adjust hue, saturation, and luminance by color range, so you steer the palette without shifting everything at once. Rich, cinematic tones read more fantasy than neutral color. If your portrait shows background you want to transform, explore AI sky replacement to drop in dramatic clouds or a celestial backdrop. Build the world further with layers and overlays, subtle light flares, delicate sparkles, or misty textures. Reduce opacity and experiment with blend modes so these elements sit inside the scene rather than on top of it. Keep attention on the face with Portrait Enhancer. Gently brighten the eyes, smooth skin without erasing texture, and define lips and brows. A little goes far. Character makes the fantasy believable. Finish with a soft vignette to pull the eye inward, and a slight boost to contrast and mid-tone clarity to retain detail around your magical highlights and shadows. And that's it. Your enchanted portrait is ready.